Well, it took longer to get these unit garage engine bars on this R12GS than I think it should have. It wasn't their fault, it was BMW's fault. Top bolt hole up there had some powder coating paint in it and had the threads all gummed up and they needed to be cleaned out. But that and a couple other snags, but finally got them on. They look great, I love them, and a pretty ingenious design. So there's only 2 bolts, this top one up here, and then there's a bottom one. Now behind that top bolt, you see right there, there's a bushing, and that's sliding into an existing frame hole, and then the top of the bar slots in there. That's not bolted in there, it just slides in there, but it's tight and it's supported, and that's similar to what's going on down here at the bottom. So there's just this one big bolt down here in the bottom, but then right behind that, the lighting is terrible, but right behind that, there in the center, so that bushing is in a frame hole and the bar slides in there, and it's, you know, it's a sleeve and it supports it really well. So instead of only 2 little bolts holding it on, there's 2 bolts, but there's 4 points of contact, and those bushing slots are large diameter. So I think they're going to be pretty good. They're pretty strong, and I love the way they look.